Today, we are making paper flowers out of cupcake liners. Fold each cupcake liner in half, then in quarter, and then fold it once more. Five cupcake liners will make a nice, full flower. Once you fold 5 cupcake liners, cut through the top of each of the circle segments, like this. Then, round the edges, making each folded liner look like a small heart. Unfold the cupcake liner and lay it flat. Repeat with the other 4 folded liners. Lay the cupcake liners over each other. Apply glue to the center of each liner. And finally, arrange the layers as needed, giving the flower a nice, full shape. You can use the flowers to decorate tables, or glue them onto your venue decorations.